I am going to start my session. In previous class, I explained how to calculate simple interest. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. After that, I have given formula amount is equal to simple interest plus principal. After that, two more formula I have given. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Principal is equal to amount minus interest. After that, we have solved around 2-3 question, and one question we were solving on the time up. Okay, time ended under time. Question was that find the simple interest on 8,250 rupees at 16% per annum for 3.5 years. Also find the amount. This was the question. I am going to explain this question. Yes, I think this was example 2. Okay, whatever, no down example first. Example first. Yeah, in this question he has given simple interest on 8,250 rupees. Principal is equal to principal P is equal to 8,250 rupees. Rate is equal to rate or rate of interest. Rate capital R is equal to 16% per annum. PA. PA is not personal assistant per annum, right? Next, time T is equal to 3.5 years. 3.5 years is the mixed fraction. I want to convert into improper fraction. How to convert? Denominator multiplied by whole number plus numerator. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 years. Means 7.5 years. Now I want to find out simple interest. I know formula. SI is equal to SI means what? Not sub-inspector. Simple interest. Simple interest SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. I want to substitute the value here. Principal is 8,250. Rate is 16%. Time is 7 by 2. 7 will come in numerator and 2 will come in denominator. I hope up to now we have completed yesterday. Again, some simplification I was doing on the time has ended. Okay. Yes. Now we want to do simplification. Nothing is there. Don't worry. Simplification I want to do. How to do the simplification? 2 ones are 2. 2 8 is 16. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 4 25s are 100. Right. Next. 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5. Next. 3. 5 6s are 30. 2. 5 5s are 25. Students, I can directly divide by 100, but you can't understand. That's why everything I am explaining very clearly how to simplify. And an answer has come here. 1650 into 8, into 2 into 7 whole divided by 5. Again, we can divide by 5. Yes, I can divide by 5. So, because once place digit is 0 or 5, then that number divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. happened, boy? Yes. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 1. 5 threes are 15. 330 into 7 twos are 14. 0. 14 zeros are 0. 14 threes are 42. 2. 4 keep in minds. 14 threes are 42 plus 2 44. 46. Answer is 4,620 rupees. This is SI. Now we got it SI, simple interest. Now I want to find out amount is equal to simple interest plus principal. Amount is equal to SI plus principal. Yes, simple interest is 4,620. Principal is 8,250. 0, 5 plus 2, 7. Next, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12,870 rupees. This was the yesterday's classwork. Next key heading, finding principal and rate. Key heading, finding principal and rate of interest. 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 How to calculate principal, how to calculate rate. All students stop writing, concentrate here. How to find principal and rate? We know one formula. SI is equal to, don't write, listen carefully. SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. If I want to find out principal, then what is principal? Principal P is equal to SI into 100 divided by principal I am finding means remaining is R and T. R into T will come in denominator. Principal we are finding means what is remaining? R and T, rate and time. This is principal formula. If in this I want to find out rate of interest, R is equal to rate of interest, R is equal to SI into 100, SI into 100 divided by principal into time, P into T, because rate already is there. where P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of interest, and T is equal to time. Don't ask, sir, very time formula, because heading I have given finding principal and rate of interest. Rate will be always in percentage, time will be always in years, and principal already you know in rupees. Example first. Find the principal. Example first. This chapter is very easy chapter, students. Based on formula, question they will ask in the examination. Example first. Example first. Find the principal. Find the principal. Find the principal. If simple interest is if simple interest is if simple interest is rupees 600 at 6% per annum for 5 years. For 5 years. Yes. Now in this question you are observing student is asking find the principal. Principal P is equal to question mark. Principal P is equal to question mark. SI simple interest. Simple interest SI is equal to 600 rupees. Rate of interest R is equal to 6% per annum. Time T is equal to 5 years. We know formula. Principal is equal to SI into 100 by R into T. SI is equal principal P is equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. I want to substitute the value. Substitute the value, everyone. Simple interest is 600 into 100. Rate is 6%. Time is 5 years. 6 1 ja 6, 600 ja 600, 5 1 ja 5, 520 is 100. What is answer? 2000 rupees. P is equal to 100 into 20 is equal to rupees 2000. Hence, principal is 2000 rupees. Principal is 2000 rupees if simple interest is 600 rupees at 6% per annum for 5 years. Hence, principal is 2000 rupees if simple interest is 600 rupees at 6% per annum for 5 years. Okay, student, note down example second. Example second. Example 2. Find the principal. Find the principal find the principal if simple interest is if simple interest is if simple interest is $277.50 rupees for 2.5 years at 12% per annum. Very interesting question and easy question. Find the principal. Principal P is equal to question mark. SI simple interest is equal to 277.50 rupees Don't say 277.50. After decimal digit is less than 1. Always I want to read one digit. 277.50 rupees. Rate is equal to, capital R rate is equal to 12% per annum. Time T is equal to 2.5 years. 2.5 means mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. Denominator multiplied by whole number, 2 to the 4 plus numerator 5 by 2, 5.5 years. I want to find out principal. Principal is equal to SI into 100 divided by rate into time. Substitute the value here, but time he has given fraction form. Concentrate everyone here, don't confuse. Simple interest is 277.50 into 100 divided by rate is 12% and time is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Now this 2 will go up, or we can simply cancel out 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, right? Otherwise, directly I can set 5 to the numerator, or here only I can simplify. It's better because some digits are there. It will not divisible by numerator and denominator. It's better you can shift 2 in the numerator. Then I can write here 277.50 into 100 into 2 divided by 12 into 5. Now we are going to do simplification. Yes. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 250 is 100. Numerator has come. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 50. It is come 277.50 into 10 divided by 3. Now, if any decimal number I want to multiply with 10, 100 and 1000, decimal point will shift that many step to the which side? Right side. Now, this digit will become 2775.0 divided by 3. Then 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15.0. 925 rupees. This is principal. Okay. Hence, principal, the required principal is hence the required principal is rupees 925. Yesterday, so many students sent me homework. They they have calculated simple interest and principal. They have calculated simple interest and amount, but no one has mentioned rupees symbol. Always you need to mention rupees symbol. Next, example 3. Example 3. Find the rate per annum. 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 It now. Why? If you're able to see, you can give thumbs. Okay. Find the rate per annum. If the principal is, find the rate per annum. If the principal is, if the principal is rupees 400, comma, simple interest is simple interest is rupees 60 and time is 4 years. Start solving, everyone. All students start solving along with me. Find the rate per annum means he's asking rate of interest. Rate R is equal to question mark. Next, principal P already he has given. P is equal to rupees 400. Next, SI he has given. SI is 60 rupees. SI is equal to rupees 60. SI is equal to rupees 60. Time T is equal to 4 years. Now we know formula. Rate R is equal to SI into 100 divided by rate is there. What is remaining? Principal and time. P into T. Substitute the value. SI is 60 into 100 divided by principal is 400. Time is 4 years. This 2 0 cancel. 60 by 16 is equal to rate R is equal to 3.75 percentage per annum. Hence, the rate is hence the rate is 3.75% per annum. Example 4. Yeah, this question is very interesting question. What annual rate of interest what annual rate of interest what annual rate of interest is needed for needed for mm, what annual rate of interest is needed for is needed for 2100 rupees